Hey, Biosafety ambassadors, are you ready for an intellectual virtual meeting series on biosafety and biosecurity webinars for laboratory professionals in the light of COVID-19?
We are here with eminent national and international speakers around the globe in collaboration with Health Security Partners USA.
Our lead organizers and facilitators are Professor Dr. Shamsul Arfan Kazmi and Professor Dr. Muhammad Adnan Kanfarwala.
Our first international speaker is Dr. Claire J. Standley. She is an assistant research professor at Center for Global Health Science and Security. Her research focuses on the analysis of health systems, strengthening and international capacity building for public health, with an emphasis on prevention.
Our next speaker is Dr. Jim Welch. Dr. Jim has served 19 years as the Executive Director of the Elizabeth R. Griffin Research Foundation, a U.S.-based nonprofit organization that works around the world on biosafety and biosecurity in fostering global health security.
The next guest speaker is Thomas Licker. He has graduation in environmental science from Slippery Rock University and has over 20 years of experience in handling event-driven hazardous materials and biological response actions.
Our other eminent speaker is Professor V.G. Vijayan. She is a member of the Board of Directors of the International Federation of Biosafety Associations and Vice President of the Asia-Pacific Biosafety Association.
Our next speaker from University Washington, D.C. is Ms. Frances Vesey. She holds a Master's of Science degree in Biohazardous and Threat Agents and Emerging Infections. Our last international speaker is David Lam from Singapore. He is an Assistant Director of Biological Safety, Singapore General Hospital, Singapore. Do attend the sessions and sharpen your biosafety skills.
Looking forward to the intellectual session with you all.